Um, this section of video concerns the inputs to the hybrid system. The hybrid system runs everything off of a battery pack. That's the big difference between the hybrid system and the typical straight diesel electric system. The battery pack is at 144 volts DC. And it runs everything on the boat. Its outputs are to the motor that is pushing the propeller, to the inverter that is making your house AC, to a converter that is taking that 144 and making 12 volts, and to any other future amenity that we may come up with. And in fact, we're working on bow thrusters and anchor windlasses. These are the outputs to the system, but one of them is also an input. The motor is also an input. And this is what we call regeneration. The motor is a brushless DC motor that is comprised of magnets and windings. That's what makes it very efficient and produces a lot of torque. But when you reverse that by sailing along and the flow of the water comes across the propeller, it provides the power to turn those magnets and spin them around in circle and create a generator. That generator then provides power back through and into the batteries. Along with that, we have a generator that can put power in, and solar that can put power in, and we have a shore charger that can be used to put power back in. And shortly, we will be able to take a windmill and put power back in. The regeneration is something that is going to happen whenever you're sailing. Unless you live in New Hampshire and or somewhere in the North Atlantic where there's 11 or 12 knot tides. Then it'll happen when you're on the hook.